Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start with quick review of the orthopedics. So let's get started. Question number 1. Nerve grafting is done if nerve gap is more than 10 cm. Action of ankle joint is flexion, extension and lateral rotation. In posterior dislocation of hip, flexion, abduction and internal rotation. Common donor nerve used for nerve grafting is sural nerve. Most common cause of deformity of bone is fracture. Joint most amenable to manipulate is knee joint. Most common donor site for bone graft is iliac crest. Most common joint in human body to dislocate is shoulder joint. Most common dislocation at shoulder joint is anterior. Most common dislocation at elbow joint is posterior. Most common dislocation of hip joint is posterior. And most common dislocation of at wrist joint is Lunat. Most common dislocation at spine is anterior, cervical 5 and cervical 6 region. Radius head pulled out of annular ligament is pulled elbow. Best treatment fracture of forearm bones is conservative.
Common cause of Sudak's dystrophy in UL is Colles fracture. Most common pelvic fracture is ischiopubic rami fracture. Bilateral ischiopubic rami fracture is also called straddle fracture. Unsolved fracture is fracture neck of femur, and K-nail is used for fracture shaft of femur. Most frequently injured joint is knee joint. Communicated fracture of patella is known as stellate fracture. Jefferson's fracture is fracture of atlas and cervical 1. Dense sclerotic bone overlying a sequestrum is involucrum. Next one, most common complication of acute osteomyelitis is chronic osteomyelitis. Most common cause of septic arthritis is Staphylococcus aureus. Tom Smith arthritis is septic arthritis of infancy. Most common site of gonococcal arthritis is knee joint. Most common site of bone and joint tuberculosis is spine, port spine or hip. Most common site of spinal tuberculosis is dorsolumbar region. Investigation of choice for tuberculosis spine is MRI. Most common cause of early onset POTS paraplegia is abscesses. Most common cause of hip pain in children in India is tuberculosis of hip. Most common congenital deformities, foot deformities, CTEV. Most common muscle related to CTEV is tibialis posterior. Most common type of spina bifida oculata. Most common primary bone malignancy is multiple myeloma. Most common anterior mediastinal tumor is thymoma. Second most common primary bone malignancy osteosarcoma. Most common benign tumor of bone osteochondroma. Most common metaphyseal tumor osteosarcoma. Most common metabolic bone disease osteoporosis. Most common site of vertebral disc prolapse L4 and L5. Most common site of cervical spondylosis cervical 5, cervical 6. Dupuytren's contracture is a contracture of palmar aponeurosis. Most common joint affected in rheumatoid arthritis is metapharyngeal joint, index finger. Most common joint affected in gout is metapharyngeal joint, great toe. Most common cause of ricket in children in India is nutritional deficiency. Medial epicondylitis, golfer elbow. Lateral epicondylitis, tennis elbow. Frozen shoulder is common among diabetes. Brown tumor is an hyperparathyroidism. In fluorosis of bone, there is an excess deposition of the calcium. Earliest sign of dental fluorosis is mottling. Orthopedic disorder of dwarf circuit jokers is achondroplasia. Marbled bone are in osteoporosis. Paget disease defect of the osteoclast. Most common osteochondritis, Perthes disease. Most common cause of loose bodies in joint is osteoarthritis. Callus formation in fracture healing process 4 to 12 weeks. Blood loss in pelvic fracture is 1500 to 2000 ml per 8 to 4 unit. Blood loss in femur fracture is 1000 to 1500 ml. ARDS onset 24 hours after injury. Most common injury to major blood vessels in polytrauma is popliteal artery. Most common injury to nerve in polytrauma is radial nerve. Most common operation for non-union is bone grafting. Dinner-Folk deformity or carpal tunnel syndrome is Colles fracture and median nerve. Gun-Stock deformity, supracondylar fracture of humerus. Autogenous bone grafting, graft from same person, iliac crest and fibula. Allogenous bone grafting is graft from another person. Genografting, graft from other species. It is ossification, brachial artery injury, Gun-Stock deformity, Boltzmann ischemia is the supracondylar fracture of humerus. Radial nerve palsy, fracture shaft of humerus. Axillary nerve palsy, fracture surgical nerve of the Avascular necrosis is common after a fracture of the talus. Periosteum is attached to a bone of the shaft fiber. Lefort classification is used for fracture of maxilla. Most common ligament injured to ankle sprain is anterior talofibular. Bone involved in stress fracture is march fracture or second metatarsal. Bone involved in Jones third dancer street fracture is fifth metatarsal. Thurston Holland sign is seen in the Salter Harris type second of fracture. Swan neck deformity is seen in rheumatoid arthritis. Characteristic joint involvement in rheumatoid arthritis, metacarpophalangeal joint. Patient with joint pain and back HS on X-ray spine sarcoiditis is seen in diagnosis of ankylosing spondylitis. In beginning with the compartment of knee is involved in osteoarthritis is medial tibiofemoral. Bamboo spine appearance is ankylosing spondylitis. Which joint is most commonly affected in osteoarthritis is knee. Bone involved in secondary osteoarthritis is hip joint. Bone involved in cervical spondylosis C5, C6 and cervical 6 and cervical 7. Bone involved in lumbar spondylosis is lumbar 5 and sacrum 1. Bone involved in rheumatoid arthritis is metapharyngeal joint of hand. Bone involved in ankylosing spondylitis, sacroiliac joint and spine. Bone involved in gouty arthritis is metapharyngeal joint and great toe. Bone involved in pseudogout is Mansky of knee. Bone involved in psoriatic arthropathy is distal interpharyngeal joint. Ankylosing spondylosis is associated with aortic insufficiency. Sika syndrome is associated with rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid factor positive in rheumatoid arthritis, sarcoidosis, SLE, influenza, hepatitis, endocarditis, liver disease, AIDS, syphilis, tuberculosis, infection, mononucleosis. Most common site of spondylolithiasis is the lumbar 5 over T1, thoracic 1. Rheumatoid arthritis affect cervical spine. House-made knee is due to enlargement of the subcutaneous patellar bursa. Hill-Sachs lesion is seen in recurrent dislocation of shoulder. In neuropraxia, there is loss of conduction of nerve fiber. Bellarian degeneration is seen in distal cut end of the nerve. Tinal signs suggest nerve regeneration. CART test is used for paralysis of ulnar nerve. Nerve damage due to helmet dislocation is ulnar. Most common site of tuberculosis in skeletal system is spine. And tuberculosis osteomyelitis is site involved tibia. TB dactylitis site involvement spina ventosa. TB spondylitis post disease spine. TB arthritis site involved hip joint. Synovial TB is site involved knee joint. TB tensosynovitis compound palmar ganglion. TB brucitis, trochanteric brucitis. Commonest route of spread of TB to bone is hematogenous. Collar stud abscess is seen in TB. Commonest primary malignant tumor multiple myeloma. Bone tumor arising from pelvis is chondroblastoma. Onion skin layering on X-ray is characteristic of Ewing sarcoma. Onion peel appearance is seen in Ewing sarcoma, most radiosensitive tumor. In multiple myeloma, punched out lesions are more common in skull. Particular plana occur in eosinophil granuloma. Radio-resistant malignant tumor is osteosarcoma. Most common malignant bone tumor is secondaries. Most common benign bone tumor is osteoma. Pulsatile tumor is osteosarcoma. Commonest cause of multiple fracture in childhood is osteogenesis imperfecta. Port's puffy tumor is osteomyelitis of skull bone. Waddling gait is a feature of bilateral dislocation of hip. Most common affected lower limb muscle in poliomyelitis quadriceps femoris. Painful effusion of joint in congenital syphilis is known as Kilutian's joint. Abnormal metacarpal index is a feature of Marfan syndrome. Bag of bone effect is seen in Charcot joint. Codfish vertebrae are seen in hyperparathyroidism. Osteomalacia can caused by tablet phenytoin. Bone within bone appearance is seen in Gaucher disease. Calcification of Mansky of knee joint is seen in ochronosis. Canaval sign is found in tenosynovitis. Most common involvement of Boltzmann ischemia seen in that flexure digitorium profunda. Nerve injured in medial epicondylar fracture is ulnar. Most common site for osteogenic sarcoma in India, lower end of femur. Compression is fracture is most common in which part of the spine? Lower thoracic. Non-union is commonly seen in lower tibial fracture and adventitious versa abnormalities over friction side. Healing time for fracture of tibia is 12 weeks. Most common site of myositis ossification is seen in elbow. Most common site of acute osteomyelitis seen in infants is hip joint. Claw hand is a manifestation of ulnar nerve injury. Most common involvement of Dupuytren's contracture is little finger. Nerve injured in the fracture of upper end and of radius is posterior interstitious nerve. Most common cause of kyphosis among males in tuberculosis. Monteggia fracture or dislocation involve upper one-third of the ulna. Common site of avascular necrosis of head of femur is subcapital region. Cause of atonic bladder is injury to treatment for clubfoot should be started immediately after birth. Most common involved in fracture of surgical neck of humerus is axillary. Neuropathic joint are most common seen in diabetic mellitus. Soap bubble appearance with bone tumor is osteoclastoma. In hammer-toe flexion deformity is seen in proximal interpharyngeal joint. TV spine result in paraplegia of lower thoracic part. Injury to which of the nerve lead to winging of the scapula is long thoracic nerve. Muscle tested in form and sign is adductor pollicis. Epiphyseal enlargement is seen in Still disease. Most common muscles group affected in polio dorsi flexure ankle. Most common complication of the fracture of ischiopubic ramioflexure is rupture of membranous urethra. Most common medial meniscal tear type of longitudinal tear. Haverden nodules are seen in distal interpharyngeal joint in osteoarthritis. Epiphyseal tumor is giant cell tumor. Tardy ulnar nerve palsy most common cause lateral condylar fracture. Tarsal tunnel syndrome is seen in rheumatoid arthritis. Inability to flex the index finger is a sign of median nerve injury. McMurray sign is seen in injuries medial meniscus. Radial nerve injury wrist drop. Deep peroneal nerve injury foot drop. Ulnar nerve injury claw hand. Axillary nerve injury flattened shoulder upper trunk portal tip hand. Medial nerve injury ape thumb deformity. Long thoracic nerve injury binging of scapula. Levator nerve, median nerve. Saturday night palsy involve radial nerve. Anterior Drager sign is positive in anterior cruciate ligament of injury. Sheet belt injury, chance of the fracture. Whiplash injury due to acute hyperextension of hip. Most common type of spinal injury is flexion injury. Tennis elbow, pain over the lateral epicondyle. Hangman fracture is a fracture of pars interarticularis fracture and dislocation of cervical 2 and cervical 3. Dislocation without fracture is seen in cervical. Malleolar. Most common nerve injured in supracondylar fracture of humerus is radial nerve. Cotton fracture is a trimalleolar. Most common nerve injured in supracondylar fracture of humerus is radial nerve. Trigger finger is stenosis, tenovaginitis. Signature fracture refer to depressed skull fracture. Blount disease is a genovarum. Type of joint seen in growth plate is primary cartilaginous. Repair of better than removal in which part of the meniscal injury is outer area. Pulsating bone tumor osteosarcoma. Direct impact of bone will and transverse fracture. Pathological fractures are seen in osteogenesis imperfecta, osteoporosis, osteomalacia and radiation. Healing of fracture in third stage reactive hematoma, reparative scalous formation and remodeling. Bone formation marker are procollagen first and ALP. Most common cause of non-union fracture is inadequate immobilization. Non-union is a complication of scaphoid fracture. Most common complication of fracture of clavicle is malunion. Most common fracture of clavicle is junction of medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3. Earliest radiological sign in osteoarthritis, narrowing of the joint space. Underlying cause of rheumatoid arthritis is immunological. Joint is spared in rheumatoid arthritis, DIP joint of finger. Compound fracture is defined with fracture with skin involvement. Open fracture is treated by debridement. Recurrent dislocation are common in soldier. Recurrent dislocation leads commonly seen in knee. Dugas test is used for anterior dislocation of the soldier. Most common fracture during birth is clavicle. Most common injury with fracture medial epicondyle elbow dislocation. Most common elbow injury in adolescence in supracondylar fracture. Gun stock deformity is seen due to fracture of supracondylar humerus. Most common site of myositis ossification is elbow. In pulled elbow, there is a subluxation of proximal radio ulnar joint. Dashboard injury result in posterior dislocation of hip. Attitude of limb in anterior dislocation of hip is flexion, abduction, external rotation. Attitude of limb in traumatic dislocation of hip, flexion, adduction and internal rotation. Lower limb attitude in posterior dislocation of hip is flexion, adduction, internal rotation. Next one, jumper fracture is seen in pelvis. Vinite fracture, dislocation of base of first metacarpal. Gamekeeper thumb pitch, ulnar collateral ligament injury of MCP joint. Fracture femur in children is treated with gallows splint. Gallows holding cast is scaphoid cast. Fat embolism commonly occurs due to fracture of femur. Fracture of neck humerus is common elderly female. Calcaneum fracture is usually seen along with fracture of vertebra. Nerve involved in fracture neck of fibula is common peroneal nerve. Most common mode of meniscal injury is flexion and rotation movement. Bucket handle tear at knee joint is due to injury of menisci. In injury to knee cartilage, investigation of choice arthroscopy. Most common site for ligament injury ankle. In Sedan's classification, complete divisions of nerve is neurotesmis. Most common cause of neurological deficit in upper limb apulsi. Nerve root involved in apulsi is C5 and C6. Motorcyclist in skull is a type of ring fracture. And coke-up splint is used in management of radial nerve. Phocomelia is defect of long bone of limb. Coxa is found in Perthes disease, osteogenesis imperfecta. Myalgia paresthesia involve lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh. Most common fracture among children is green stick fracture, lower end of the radius. Dritvan sign is seen in slipped capital femoral epiphysis. Ortolani's test is done for congenital dislocation of hip. Congenital dislocation of hip occur due to small head of femur. Most common cause of genu valgum in children is rickets. Blount disease is a tibia vera. Most common deformity seen in club foot is talipes equinovarus. Chronic club foot is treated by triple arthrodesis. Sprangel's deformity is undescended scapula. Chondroblastoma most commonly occur in epiphysis. Epiphysis is osteoclastoma and osteochondroblastoma. Diaphysis osteoid osteomia and Ewing's tumor. And metaphysis osteomyelitis and osteosarcoma and chondrosarcoma. Next one, most common cause of bone malignancy is secondary. Bormian bones are found in osteogenesis imperfecta. Brittle bone disease is osteogenesis imperfecta. Marble bone disease is osteopetrosis. Rugged jersey spine is seen in renal osteodystrophy. Hypervitaminosis causing bony abnormalities, vitamin A and vitamin D. Cause of osteomalacia, Indore stiff anatoid and malabsorption. Osteomalacia normal SR calcium pseudo fracture. Milkman fracture is pseudo in fracture in adult. Treatment of choice for Paget disease of bone is calcitonin. Rocker bottom foot is seen in excessive correction of Grice procedure, and trident hand is seen in achondroplasia. Absent clavicle is seen in cleidocranial dysostosis. Osteogenesis imperfecta is due to defective collagen. Multiple fracture in newborn is found in osteogenesis imperfecta. Osteoporosis normal calcium, normal phosphate, normal alkaline phosphate. Osteoporosis codfish vertebra seen commonly present with fracture. Drugs of choice for senile osteoporosis estrogen. Post-traumatic avascular necrosis occur in femoral neck, neck talus and waist scaphoid. Pathological changes in Caisson's disease is due to nitrogen gas. Joint commonly involved in osteochondrosis deficiency is knee joint. Vitamin required for collagen formation, vitamin C. Brown tumor is seen in hyperparathyroidism. Most common cause of primary hyperparathyroidism is solitary adenoma. Most common site of osteochondritis dissecans is lateral part of the medial femoral condyle. Type of anemia in rheumatoid arthritis, normocytic normochromic anemia, and disease where distal part of the interphalangeal joint involves psoriatic arthritis. Ankylosing spondylitis associated with HLA-V27. Bumbo spine is seen in ankylosing spondylitis. Most common Charcot joint involved in type 2 diabetic mellitus foot. Clayton's joints are syphilitic joint. Most common cause of neuropathic joint is diabetes. Gouty arthritis, great toy. In gouty arthritis, excessive erosions of the joint.
Thank you.